Yes.
Kelly Bayern has been following this, and what are you seeing on your satellite and radar right now?
Yeah, well, you can see the hurricane churning away here and those outer rain bands already hitting the coast of Texas and also Louisiana. It's just incredible how another tropical system, it's on its way almost in the exact same path as Hurricane Laura just 6 weeks ago. So there are still some houses that are repairing from the damage and devastation from that last hurricane. And now we have another on its way in, likely to make landfall sometime today, but already seeing impacts of heavy rainfall and tropical storm force winds at this point here. Take a look at the track. Again, expected to make landfall along the Louisiana coast. Right now it is a Category 3 hurricane with sustained winds at 120 miles per hour. As it does make its way onshore, it is expected to decrease to a Category 2 storm, but that'll still have some major impacts. We'll see a storm surge maybe up to 10 to 11 feet, torrential downpour and high winds that'll cause even more devastation. Check out the forecast rain totals of the system. You can see that track as it makes its way inland here through the weekend. We could see 7 to 8 inches of rain falling from this system, and that's going to cause a lot of flooding as we head into it. So we'll be tracking this damage as we head our way into the weekend. Of course, in our region, we are expecting to see some weather changes too. We do have some rainfall on the way. Our next weather system here is churning away as well, and that'll start to work in by late tonight. Right around midnight tonight is when we could see some rain back in Portland. It's been about 12 days since we've seen any wet weather here. So that'll be a change for folks as we move into our weekend. So here's our FUTURECAST. Through to date, still looking partly cloudy and mainly dry. A lot of those showers are still going to be offshore here. The coast has a chance to see some passing light showers through the afternoon and evening today, but that cold front and that bigger band of rain doesn't really move in until we hit the later evening hours. So take a look here at that timing. Right around 11 in the evening is when we'll start to see that cold front shifting in and some soggy showers and more widespread heavy rain working into Portland and the valley. This cold front spreads through the early parts of Saturday morning. We'll see a few bands of heavy rain too as we head into our morning. So throughout the day tomorrow, do expect some soggy showers to be pushing through, and that continues into our evening and afternoon. There may even be a chance for thunderstorms tomorrow too. We could see some heavier cells developing here with those strong westerly winds, a lot of energy with that cooler system working in. We could see a pop of some thunderstorms and even some lightning heading into our weekend. Come Sunday morning, still some showers, and as we head into our afternoon on Sunday, we see another push of some rainfall, likely by the evening time too. We'll finish out the weekend here with some wet weather, and those showers continue into Sunday evening and Monday morning as well. So it's just going to be a wet span of days. As soon as we hit the weekend, our forecast rain totals have still been showing us around an inch of rain just through Saturday. As we finish out the weekend, head into Monday, we could be closer to maybe 1.5 inches to 2 inches of rain around the valley. Take a look at Vancouver. Models are showing closer to 2 inches of wet weather up there through the end of the weekend. At the coast, we could even see 3 to maybe 3.5 inches of rain for some of those areas near Astoria and Tillamook. So again, we are expecting a lot of wet weather, even some cooling out towards the mountains. Our snow levels likely dropping to about 5,500 feet, so maybe some new snow coating Mount Hood and the central Cascades of Oregon this weekend too. Wind gusts also expect to pick up by this afternoon. We could get some breezy winds and some gusts around 30 miles per hour by tonight. The coast, likely some gusts tonight from the southwest up to about 30 miles per hour. And these breezy conditions continue all weekend long as that cold front works in. So it will be a breezy weekend in Portland, in the valley, and especially out towards the coast where we could see some gusts up to maybe 30, 40 miles per hour. And Sunday, as that second system works in, stronger winds in the valley and also out towards the coast. So it will be a breezy weekend too. Here's our zone planner for today. Again, still some quiet weather through the afternoon. It's tonight, overnight, and a Saturday. We see that wet change here. Our 7-day forecast, again, becoming breezy tonight, mid 60s to low 60s as we head into our wet weekend. Back to you guys.
Up next.